In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete a project inside of Claude AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Claude.ai. Then from here you'll need to log into your account like you usually would. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand corner and go over to the open sidebar up here. And then from here you'll see an overview of all of your menu. From here you'll need to go down to the projects filter down here, and once you click on that you'll see an overview of all of your projects. From here you can create a new project if you want to do that, or you can sort your already existing projects by activity, edited, or date created. You'll also be able to search for it up here if you have several projects. Now to delete it, you'll simply need to find the specific project that you want to delete, and then from here you'll need to hover over it with your mouse and then go over to these three dots over here in the right hand corner. From here you'll need to click on it, and then from here you'll be able to click delete down here. Once you click delete, you'll be able to see delete project. Are you sure you want to delete the test? And you'll need to click delete. From here you'll just need to update it like so. And then from here you can see the project has disappeared or deleted. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!